Let's talk about books and articles. In the past, when the 1979 RPC was still in effect, there was no rule dedicated to books and articles, so people weren't so sure about what would count as advertising when writing books and publishing them. The RPC at the time said that any form of advertising is not allowed. Hence, the reason why people weren't sure whether it would offend or not. Any publication that looked promotional would offend the RPC. In the 2023 RPC, however, Chapter 1 of which is an exact replica of the 2007 RPC, we now have a dedicated rule for books and articles that clarifies what does not constitute advertising. If you write a book or an article that you want to publish, and it's law related, you can add your academic and professional qualifications after your name. That doesn't constitute advertising or boasting, but shows that you are qualified to contribute to the development of law. However, if you flood the book with all your contact details, successes of your case, and other forms of self-aggrandizement, then that counts as subtle advertising, and the RPC prohibits that. Let's look at this draft book for example, by Dr. Agaba and Mr. Ekwanusi. They added their qualifications after their names, PhD and LLM respectively. Here's another example. This is optional though, not all authors do this. And that's about it for this rule. The next rule talks about change of address. Thank you very much for watching guys, and remember, stay lawful, stay informed.